at a program held at the Soso Tham Auditorium on the 27th of July 2022, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, felicitated 231 sports achievers of 2017-2018 across sports disciplines who represented the state and country in the zonal, national and international platforms. A cash award scheme was also launched wherein a total of Rs 81.04 lakhs was distributed to the sports persons. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma expressed his joy at being able to recognize the achievers and extend the cash awards to sports persons of the state who have brought laurels to Meghalaya. He also encouraged them to follow their passion and work hard so that they can achieve greater success in the future.
Cash prize of 2,80,000.
Moving on to football, we have Urbanity Macro Shillong
Association to kindly line up and receive their cash award. The winners, Anjali Singh, LH Nemboy, Kipgen.
That they have gone out of their way to participate in different competitions, disciplines, and games throughout the country and throughout the world. And while doing that and while following their passion, not only have they won medals, but they have also in the process brought laurels to their family, to the association, and definitely to the state. So this is a very small way of thanking each and every one of you and congratulating each and every one of you for achieving what you have done with whatever little support that you receive from different individuals or organizations or government in whichever way possible, that you have been able to do so much. And hence this is nothing but a sense or a token of appreciation for the hard work that has been put in by you and for the laurels and the different medals that you have won for yourself, association, and as I said, representing the state also. So apart from the small cash awards that we have given, let us also take this opportunity and this moment to congratulate each other. So I would request all of you that let's give a round of applause to each and everyone who's present out here for doing what you have done of making each one of us proud.